Alright, so now I'm going to be practicing a problem from linear systems from 8/14/18, which is the date. 8/14/18. So the problem initially is going to take this y equals x of t, and we're going to transform that graph, which is given, into y equals x, parentheses negative 2t plus 6. So when we're doing that transform, we have to understand that in this situation we'll have three different elements going on. We're going to have a mirroring of our graph due to our negative. We're going to have a compression of our graph due to this 2. And we're going to have a shift on our graph due to this 6. So as we go through and try and move everything out, we have to understand that we are going to first pull out our negative. So y equals negative x of 2t plus 6. So what this is going to do is essentially take our graph, which x of t initially looks something like that. A little hard to explain it directly going in one note and by freehand, but essentially it's what our initial graph is going to look like, with this point being at negative 2. So what reversing it will do will actually take it to this, and now we'll be at 2. So I'm going to go ahead and erase all that, and we'll get back into the simplification of our problem. So now we're going to say, go ahead and pull out our compression, which is this 2. And when we take out that 2, we have to remember we have to pull out 2 from the 6. So we're going to pull out negative 2x. We're going to have a t plus 3. T minus 3. I apologize, I missed that the first time around. And with that, now what we have is our compression, we have our flip, and we have a shift. So when this is a negative 3, that means we're going to have a shift to the right by 3 units. So because our initial graph looks something like that, with this part poorly being drawn as e to the negative t. Now what we're going to do is redraw it. Remember, our point, this point will be our 0. So when we reverse it, now what we're going to have is going to be something that looks along those lines. We're going to have a compression, so we're also going to compress that, and we're going to shift everything over 3 units to the right. So what we can do is just take out that 0, and we can redefine this as 3. I believe that's right from just first glance, but that's kind of the quick way on how to solve this problem. And it brings in 3 different factors, such as the reversal, the compression, and the shift, as I've already underlined here.